If you're looking for long life and a quiet ride out of your all-terrain tire, then you should definitely consider a set of the Cooper Discoverer AT3 tires. Now the Cooper here will be offered in sizes to fit your 17, 18, and 20-inch wheels, in addition to tire heights ranging from 31 to 35 inches tall. Pricing, as always, will depend on your sizing here, but expect to spend between $150 and $350 per tire. Now the AT3 from Cooper is their slightly less aggressive all-terrain offering behind the Cooper ST Max, and will therefore prioritize on-road comfort, low noise, and maximum lifespan over everything else. Now with that said, guys, I don't want you to get confused or think that this is a one-trick pony, because it will certainly be up to the task of some light off-road duty as well. Now your treadwear numbers are going to reflect a tire that will deliver some long-term mileage, and that is the case here with the AT3, as you're looking at a 560 for treadwear, along with a single A and B for traction and temp grades respectively. The tire has also been given the mud and snow stamping here, which designates use for light snow or mud use. However, that shouldn't be confused with the 3-peak mountain snowflake symbol, which is going to designate a tire worthy of severe snow service. But what do you say we revisit the treadwear, and more specifically the lifespan here of the AT3? And again, Cooper's going to say 55,000 miles you're going to expect out of these puppies here with their light truck tire, even more on some of their SUV options. And that's going to be awesome for guys looking for that long-term solution with their all-terrain tire, as this will be one of your best bets in the category when looking for mileage. Now moving to your tread design, and listen guys, I'll be the first to tell you, the AT3 here is certainly not going to deliver the most aggressive look in the category. So if you're shopping on appearance, the Discoverer here might just be one of the most pedestrian in the category. In fact, I'd say this thing is gonna fall somewhere between the Goodyear Wrangler SRA and maybe even that Deegan 38 AT in regards to overall aggressiveness. But as most of us know, there's obviously more to the tire than just appearance, but it is certainly worth mentioning. However, one of the good things about that mild tread pattern is the on-road noise, or lack thereof, as this thing will be extremely quiet on the highway, as pointed out by a lot of our customer reviews, and that's always a slippery slope when dealing with an all-terrain tire like this, as they can get pretty noisy pretty quick. Now Cooper does point out that the 5-rib design here, let's count them off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes they are correct. That's going to help with performance and stability while on the road, coupled with the tread elements, which will help improve your handling as well. You are getting some pretty deep voids or grooves with the tires here, and that's going to help these things self-clear or clean off-road, while also promoting better traction in heavy rain, in addition to that heavy silica compound, which will be clutch when helping a tire like this maintain traction in the wet and in the cold. Cooper also pumped up the sidewall casing a little bit more here to prevent any damage while off-road, as that's where a majority of your tire failures will occur when you're doing some off-roading. So if you're shopping for an all-terrain tire that will deliver a comfortable ride while on the road, very low noise, and maybe most importantly, a very long lifespan, then you'll want to check out the Cooper AT3 right here at AmericanTrucks.com.